Before you do any electrical work, you want to turn off this circuit breaker, but you still want to verify that what you have turned off is in fact off. Let's have a look at this one. This tester is really nice. I'll show you why. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So turn it on. So it defaults to Celsius, but that's pretty cool that it has a thermometer. We'll go ahead and press and hold this. It says about 71 degrees in here. And what we want to do, we're going to go to the low testing. And here, this is a live circuit. So when I go in here, it should beep. And it does. So this lets me know this is a live circuit. So I don't want to do any work on this. Here's another cool thing about this is I can do high. And you see, even getting close to it. If I just get close, it recognizes the power there. And this is on, so I want to avoid working on this. Right now I'm installing a light. I've already turned the circuit breaker off, but I want to use this to verify nothing. So I know that this is dead. I am safe to work on this. But if I go to any other circuit, like if I go here, just the wire here, I know that these are all live. This is really impressive that it works so well. This also has a light, so you can press and hold this. Turns the light on, so if you're working in the dark, which a lot of times you are, this will come in handy. This was actually sent to me so I could do a video review, and I knew I had some home projects that I wanted to work on, and I've been using this. I'm really impressed with how well this works. It makes me feel a lot more comfortable working on electronics when I know I'm not going to electrocute myself.